Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the same Xbox/Microsoft account you use for Forza Horizon 5. This ensures changes apply to your profile immediately. Once signed in, verify the account age and family settings so options aren't locked by parental controls. Next, launch Forza Horizon 5 and press pause to access the social or settings menu. This puts you in position to change visibility. Make sure your controller is active and the game is fully loaded before moving to the next configuration steps. Once in the game settings, go to Social or Profile Privacy and look for specific toggles for drivetters, multiplayer invites, and content sharing. These determine who sees your profile and car builds. Change each item to Friends, Private, or Everyone depending on your goal. Friends limits exposure, Private hides most data. After selecting options, confirm and save, the game writes changes to your Xbox profile. If you want consistency, mirror these choices in your Xbox console or Microsoft account privacy page, so both systems match. Finish by saving settings and restarting Forza Horizon 5, so the new privacy state takes effect in online services and matchmaking. If settings don't stick, sign into your Xbox/Microsoft privacy page on a browser and adjust profile and online safety there. Make sure changes are saved and not overridden by family rules. If syncing still fails, try clearing the game cache, rebooting your console/PC, or signing in on another device. These steps resolve most persistence or sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.